Hey, it's Sam. I'm going to tell you a story now about how I managed to not get squeezed on the visual effects budget. It was a while ago. I just finished a huge project and my visual effects brothers and sisters and I had just worked flat out, done a great job, everything's signed off, we got paid, and now we can go on holiday. And let me tell you, we needed those holidays like a drowning man needed air. I managed to get away on my holiday and then we come to day one. Day two, I get an email. It's the executives and they said, Sam, can you go and do the next series for us? That's great, right? That's a great email. We've got 500 pages of scripts and we'd like you to do a visual effects breakdown for them. And we'd like you to present them in a meeting in 5 days. I can still feel how I felt. So I write an email back and I say, thank you. However, I'm on holiday, I'm frazzled. If you really want me to come to this meeting and do this visual effects breakdown, I can do that 2 weeks later when I finish on my holiday. And then I get a reply and they say, okay, well, how about just a 15-minute meeting then? I was given a bit of advice by a very well-seasoned DOP who said he's been in the industry for his whole lifetime, seen some stuff. And he said, Sam, never turn up to a meeting unprepared. Because if you go to that meeting, even if they like you, and it's clear that you don't know what you're on about, yeah, they might like you, but when there's a lot of money depending on you, you'll find out that they'll go with someone else. Got it. So I write a reply and I say, it was a good idea for the 15-minute meeting. However, I can only make poorly informed decisions which we will later come to rely on. Therefore, I cannot attend a meeting of any length. But if you can wait 2 weeks, I can go and do it for you. Okay. Send. And I didn't get a reply back for a while. And I've realized that I might have lost a job here. But if I did, at least I did it with my professional integrity intact. Because I've seen some other visual effects supervisors do rushed, bad breakdowns, and they've been so terrible that they've not only ruined the production, but they've also bankrupted a company. Bankrupted. No one on that production got paid. So I don't want that for anyone, especially this production, because these executives, I actually personally like them. We've been out for drinks together and everything. And I want to make a plan that just works. We can say how much the visual effects are going to be, how long they're going to take, and there's a high level of precision and quality that I demand of myself to give that, because it's a really important document. Time goes on, and then I do get a reply. I open the email. And they say, okay, Sam, we'll have a separate meeting for you in two weeks. We'll wait for you. Great, it paid off. And then I also got a private email after that from the DOP, not the one from before, a different one, the one on this project. Really great guy, actually. And he said, Sam, I've got a lot to learn from you. If I did what you did, I would have won more battles with the production. So 2 weeks later, been on a holiday, I've actually managed to go through all these pages of script, and it was a good job too, because I found out that they were trying to do the biggest set of visual effects with the smallest budget. So they required some radical steering from me, some drastic ideas, which we actually did end up incorporating, and then we actually managed to produce a show. It was a great success. We managed to do, without compromising on the vision, we managed to make everything work, VFX budget-wise, without squeezing the VFX workers, right? The brothers and sisters who I care for deeply. And we got it done on time and on budget, and it was a great success.